Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you're coming here to watch our video, we say a very big welcome and a special welcome. Okay, so I just want to show some of my people, some, not everyone, those are good listener and learn fast, how you can make a very simple, fast toning face cream because it really be dealing with you guys and I use this, it didn't work, I use this, I just need a face cream. So this is the recipe I'm giving you out. Now you all know this, it works a lot. All right, this Pimentos face cream, it work a lot. All right, so when you have this, you should know that you have a very good face cream. Make sure it's original as well. Sometime now they be changing them, and the one we have now is quite different because this is the old one. All right, this is the old one. So the one we have now is quite different. So if you have this pimentos, as you have this pimentos, just promise it with few items. Put it on a bowl, okay? Put it on a bowl, inside a bowl, okay? Small bowl. Then you add this one to it. You all know this quick clear remover is very good, very very good. Unless if it's not good on you, meaning it's the fake one, very very good. What does it do? It's an artificial face cream, all right, and it helps for acne, pimples, black spots, eczema, you know. So it's a very good, it's a good, and you can use it for. It's a good cream. You can use it for face. You can use it for body as well. So we've just said add these two together now, mix them properly. Then now you add your clean cap. You see, this clean cap, we have the gel and we have the cream. So I advise you to use this cream because the gel might be too hard for a lot of people, might be too harsh on you. So you use this one. All right. So we said three things now. Okay. This Pimentos, the quick clear, and the quick clear remover face cream, and also this clean cap cream. All right. So then you add one of that. Then you will not add your glyceptine. How many of you know this one? Very fantastic. The only reason why it's not going to work on you when if it's fake, but if it's not fake, you use this. All right. Just add this one to it, like 1 or 2 spoon to it. Okay. Very nice. Then you will not use your you use your gluta white. Use your gluta white. Let me open it for you because I always want to show you guys how it is. All right. Okay, you can now pull half of this. Yes. Then blend properly. Then also put your vitamin E. You can put 5 pieces. All right. Break on it. So it's left for me now to decide if I want to put more tube inside or not. But like me, I don't like putting tubes on my face cream or on my creams. All right. So everybody have their own ways. If you want to put tube, you can put a safer tube. If you want to put serum, you can easily put skin free milk 1 spoon. You can put any serum you want to put. You can put oil you want to put. Just make sure it's perfect on your face. So after that, you mix properly, blend, then you start using morning, evening. Trust me, when I drop recipe that really smart and they work. Not a recipe when I know it's not going to work and I'll come and drop it. So what am I doing? All right, it works. Just go try it. Okay, that is that. Then for those of us who be having knuckles, we talk about knuckle all the time, and you can't purchase some of those customized products. You can still use this one. It's very good. This is a knuckle remover. It's very good. All right. The only reason it will not work on you when it's fake, but if it's not fake, it will work on you. It's a knuckle remover. So that's that. We've come to the end of the review. Do not forget that our products, yellow CC, white lady lotion, talk about shakara oil, talk about Dubai Crude Kenako or blend pronine, we talk about industrial whitening oils, you talk about recipes, good recipes, as well you want to buy, you can always count on us. All right, we have them all available. Do not forget our website. We're still doing our maintenance. If you have any difficulties to do shopping there, because we're doing our maintenance, you can place order via the WhatsApp one on one. All right, so that is it. We've come to the end of the class. Bye bye.